Mike Innovative Door. Show you a quick how-to oil doors. A lot of people go for spray lubes, but I go for the oil can. That's right. You can see there it's coming out. So we'll pump the oil right there in the middle of the roller. And the roller, it's best to do this when the door is actually moving. So I got it using it with my foot, just lifting the door up, or you can use your other hand. You're not going to be filming this, obviously. Oil the rollers like so. Okay, that's good. Come over here. Show you the end bearing right there. This is the most missed piece that gets lubed all the time. I squirt the oil right in there. As that's moving, that'll pump the oil in there. That's good. And then if you want, you can use your spray lube for the simpler stuff, maybe like some of the hinges. This Harman door's been in for a couple of years. It doesn't really make that much noise, but you could spray some up here on the springs a little bit, and then always on your pieced rail, because these things make a lot of noise. So, quick how-to video. Shout out to Brazilian Hot Dog, Milk Me TV, J Garage Door Man Nick, LM1280 Garage Door Geek, and all the rest of my awesome subscribers. God bless you all. Thanks for watching my quick tutorial on how to lubricate the door with oil. Innovative Door, 632-719-343. And if you have broken springs, opener issues, squeaky doors, high lift tracks, custom made stuff that don't fit, call us 632-719-343. Thanks for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. And yes, we're going to fix that one too. So smash the subscribe button, the like button. Bless you. Thanks for watching.